Hi, today in front of me OPPO Pad Air, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the empty space on the home screen, then tap to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see all of the available widgets which you can add. For example, let's add the calendar shadow. Just tap on the widget, tap the home button, and now we can see that it's added successfully. If you wanna move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. Just to resize it, hold it for a while, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. And if you wanna remove it, just hold it and tap the remove button, then confirm to click to remove widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.